Alright, so here we got a KLX300, and we're going to be installing the old Ricochet skid plate here. So, brand new, pulled it out of the package. There's the old sticker comes with it. First things first, got to get the original skid plate off of here. Alright, so here we got the skid plate. There's the factory skid plate. So we'll first remove this guy. 8 millimeters, 4 of them. Gonna hold that guy, keep that threads nice on that one. Awesome, there we go. There's the drain plug if you ever need to change the oil. Alright, so the next step here says start the install with the 2 center bolts. 6x30. Comes with a pack of bolts here. Looks like these are for the front. That's for the front. So we got 1, 2. There's those 2. Then there's these 2 here. Sweet. So it looks like these are a bit long. They're protruding there. So I think we need to go with these guys here. And they're Torx T30 it looks like. So we'll get that ready and we'll start installing this guy here. Okie dokie, so got the skid sheet. Now we got this T30 Torx driver. Some of them come in an Allen bit, but you really should want to get yourself a driver here. This thing rocks, makes it way easier. Stick it on a 1/4-inch ratchet here. Bomb.com. So we'll get the first set of screws in here. Kind of tricky lining this up. Alright, I got that one started. Now I loosely, or just start it. Don't tighten it down all the way until we get all of them snugged up. I like to start them with my fingers too, that way I'm not cross-threading anything. Next step is we've got these little 1-inch clamps here. Again, T30. Looks like they're hooping over these the frame on the bottom here. And that's going to attach here. So, no washers for it's got a large head on there, so the instructions say no washer. So that makes it pretty simple. Now this looks like it's a little tricky. Get your fingers up here. I see the hole. Now again, this is why you want to leave the shield a little loose. That way you got some wiggle room. Give her the old wiggle dance here. Just gonna start it. It started. Excellent. Now a fella could throw some thread lock on here if you really wanted to, but I'm a fan of removing the skid sheet for the oil changes. So, you know, I'm gonna be honest though, I haven't run this yet, so if I find my bolts are coming loose, I'll definitely throw some Loctite on there. Probably only go with the blue Loctite. No need going crazy with the red. I do want to remove these at some point. So again, just going to start that. Going to make sure it's rested on that frame there nicely. She is. Ooh, I can already see she's coming together. Now the stock, I'm gonna guess we got the last 4 bolts here, which go about here. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not. They're gonna go there. So we'll get you set up again. All right, get the final set of bolts here. This should be a slam dunk, I think. As far as install goes, I would say this is pretty simple. This could even be for some folks who don't feel too confident in their mechanic ability. I would feel comfortable doing this all day. Right, now I'm gonna get this guy lined up. I'm gonna start. All right, so the instructions say start from the back and go forward for tightening. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna get crazy with the torques. Just gonna start snugging it up. And I'm gonna move forward a bit. Yeah, snug. Again, snug. These guys here. Kind of holding it on the back to make sure that they're going around the frame, not like they're supposed to. So, if we look up here, we can see in there, yeah. There they are right there. That's where they're attaching to. Yeah. Don't have it fully tight, that's why you can see it moving around a bit. Make sure she's snug. Again. There's the other one. Snug her up here. I mean, that's snug. It's not going anywhere. It's got good coverage. That was a big concern, was covering these guys, so that looks nice. Not too shabby. Alright, gotta go through and get my final set of torques going on. Got the torque elbow here. It's pretty specific. Hi, Otis. My kitty cat was just saying what up. If you're a fan of kitty cats, hit that subscribe button. You know the deal. Alright. Now, I can kind of feel these snug it up. When you do it yourself, you'll know what I mean. But you'll know when they're tight, like that one's tight. That one also tight. These, yep, these still got a little bit left on them. So that's okay. That's why we don't go all at once. We go nice and even around them all. Those are nice and snug. Yeah. When you hear it squeaking, you know it's pretty snug. So I think I'm gonna stick right there. I like the hole for the drain pulled, but still I like to remove this. Gets oil all over it otherwise. Maybe I won't though, who knows. Anyways, that's the install for the Ricochet skid plate for the KLX300 2022. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.